What's the meaning of cataleptic? Cataleptic. Cataleptic.
Cataleptic. Cataleptic. The term cataleptic refers to a medical condition that involves prolonged immobility and rigidity of the muscles. It is often associated with conditions such as epilepsy or schizophrenia and can occur as a side effect of certain medications. During a cataleptic episode, the affected individual's body becomes stiff and rigid, and they may be unable to move or speak. The condition can last for varying lengths of time, from a few minutes to several hours. Catalepsy can be distressing for the person experiencing it and requires medical attention.